At the end of this, you will surely forget makeup. Look beautiful with just few ingredients you can find in your kitchen. Love your skin after this. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing if you love beauty tips. Turn on the bell as well so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Most importantly, give this video a like if you love it. So I'm going to show you some ingredients that I added into this treatment that will make you get younger, that will give your skin a flawless look, that will make you look beautiful with no makeup. Your skin will look so flawless and very attractive. So the first thing you have to get is coffee. Your early morning coffee tea. Yes, that coffee ground. Use any brand of coffee, please. This is just the one I have right now. I don't usually have a specific brand. It helps to tighten the skin, tightens a loose skin, firm up a loose skin, keeping your skin looking more youthful and flawless. Like, this is so very exfoliating. You want to scrub out dead skin cells, you want to build the skin's collagen, get coffee. Coffee also helps to get rid of stretch marks, cellulite, by thickening the skin, clearing out dead skin cells, rejuvenating your skin, and give you a flawless, clearer skin. So try to get coffee. So the next ingredient you should get is green tea. So here is green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants that helps to fight free radical damage, that makes you age faster. So if you want to delay signs of aging, clearing away wrinkles and fine lines, you have to be consistent with this remedy so that you can get full results. This is not by using it only once or twice. You have to be using it consistently until you have no wrinkles and fine lines. So all these are natural ingredients and they work perfectly if you can follow the instructions. So try to get green tea. Yes, and green tea will help you greatly. Another thing I added is oat powder. Here is oat powder. Oat powder will help to rejuvenate your skin. It helps to hydrate, keep your skin looking very supple. This is majorly for those that have a dry skin. Like if you have dry, flaky skin, oat powder will help you greatly. You want to get rid of itchy skin, maybe you have skin irritation, go for oat powder. Oat powder will also help to exfoliate your skin, to get rid of dead skin cells. The result will give you a clearer, brighter skin that glows. If you do not have oat powder, you can make use of rice powder also, and this will give you a good result, a younger skin that you love all the time. And I will never joke with vitamin E oil. So vitamin E oil helps to firm the skin. It's a very powerful antioxidant that helps to delay signs of aging, saggy jaw, loose skin, any signs of aging like wrinkles around your eyes, wrinkles around your forehead, your jaw, your neck, and the rest. So this will give you a younger, youthful skin. You want to keep your skin well moisturized, go for vitamin E oil. You can also make use of sunflower oil, almond oil. These are oils that contains vitamin E as well. So add it into this treatment to look younger and more beautiful all the time. So before showing you the next ingredients, it's time to tell you how to apply the measurements, okay? So the first I added here was oat powder. I added 2 tablespoons of oat powder. 2 tablespoons is just enough. Then for the green tea, I just opened the sachet. I brought out the tea bag. Then I emptied in the content of the green tea right into the bowl. I didn't extract it using water. Then add everything into the remedy, okay? And you have to add half tablespoon of coffee. Half tablespoon will go a long way. You also have to add 2 capsules of vitamin E oil if it's the capsule form you have. But if it's the oil form in a container you have in a bottle, just measure in half teaspoon of the oil, vitamin E oil, and you're all good. So another one I didn't mention is rose water. And that is because rose water is so perfectly, for all skin types. This is something that will suit all skin, suit irritated skin, hydrates, keep your skin looking so fresh, beautiful and flawless. So rose water will also help to tighten and firm up your skin to achieve a younger skin. So I also use it to mix the ingredients together to form this paste. Okay, if you do not have rose water, you can mix with ordinary water anyway, but I love to benefit from the rose water, and that is why I use it. So mix everything together until it's very smooth like this. So after that, you have to wash off all makeups and debts. Go on and apply this treatment all over your skin. Apply it on your face and neck. You can go on and apply it all over your body. At the end of this treatment, you look like your skin will get clearer, your skin will glow beautifully, and you look younger than your age. So apply treatment on a washed skin. Make sure you wash your skin using a lukewarm water and a gentle cleanser or soap. I'm going to show you how to apply it, of course, for best result. So when you apply this treatment on your skin, leave it on for 10-15 minutes or more if you want. If you have sensitive skin, just leave it on for 10-15 minutes. But I usually leave mine more than that. Wash it off after 20 minutes, after 10 minutes, and you're all good. You can leave treatment in the fridge for maximum of 5 days. After 5 days, you trash it out and make a fresh one. Repeat this treatment, like I said, 3 times and you never regret it. Thank you much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.